Okay, Troy here. Real quick, had to do this video because I've been in online business for a little over 12 years. I've made a lot of money. I've done quite a few programs, but I have never found a program that says it's free and that you can get paid the same day and just about guaranteed to get paid every day. Well, I'm telling you right now, I am flabbergasted. Love that word. I found it. You ain't gonna believe it until you see it. I'm gonna show you what I've done in the last 6 hours of doing basically free work. It took me 10 minutes to set everything up and I was done, right? Let me show you. Let me turn this, I don't know how to turn this camera around. Okay, look. It's a program that will give you 5,000 email list for free. You know how hard it is to build a 5,000 person email list and what it costs if you use GetResponse or Aweber to send that out every day? That's why people fail online, because it's too expensive and people give up. Well, this, you're going to join with me, okay? You're going to join with me and you're going to get 5,000 email list. It's yours. And you're going to email that list with their leads, 75,000 a day. I know it sounds crazy. And then on top of that, you're going to get 10 cents every time someone clicks on that email and opens it up. 10 cents. You haven't paid a penny. I haven't paid a penny today. I joined the program for free today at 3 o'clock. I set everything up in 15 minutes. I was sending out emails just like the video said. Now it's 10 o'clock at night. I've been in it for 7 hours, spent 10 minutes of work, and I made money on a free program. Not only did I make money with the free program I'm going to show you, it's building the list. I don't have 5,000 people on my list anymore. It's like 5,240. I picked up 240 people on my email list. And then tomorrow, I'm going to send out another 75 emails to that list, and it's going to grow bigger while I'm making money for free. You got to be kidding me. After 12 years of being online, you got to be kidding me. This is insane. It's insane. So I'm going to turn the camera around because I don't know how to do it any other way. Let me see. No, I do not. Let me see. That is not. Okay. I'm just going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you, okay? Now, I'm in the back office, and that's what I've made. $9.20 just sending free emails to a list they gave me. Now I'm going to refresh it. Refresh. Just refreshed it. That's what I made today. Now, I know that doesn't sound like a lot of money, and it's not. But if that's all you did and didn't do any of the upgrades, which I haven't done and might not do for weeks, upgrade to the $97 program and it blows this thing up by 4, but stay on the free program. I'm going to stay on the free program for weeks to see how this thing really pays out. But if it just pays out $10 a day, now this is half a day, $9.20 in 7 hours. So tomorrow, let's say it's 15. So it equals $12 a day. But for easy math for me, because I'm slow, $10 a day. In a month, how much is that? $300. You're telling me we're going to make $300 off a list that's growing every day, getting paid every day, and then they HCH to your account. Are you kidding me right now? Free. It's all free. Okay, I'm going to show you the list. I'm going to show you the list already. I'm so excited. This might be the only thing I do from now on. This is absolutely insane, because if it's $10 today and it's $15 tomorrow, and I keep doing the same thing and my list grows, and I'm still sending 75,000 emails out to that list, and by Friday, in 3 days, it's 6,000 and then 7,000, the money's only going to go up. So right now, bare minimum, it's $300 a month without any of the upgrades in the program. Still free. You got to be kidding me. This is insane. Let me show you the list. There it is. Let me refresh again. So you know, that list started out at 5,000. So I made $9.20 in 15 minutes, knowing it's going to be double that tomorrow probably. My list is already 246 people more for free. Guys, if you don't jump on this and do this for a month, you might be crazy. You might need to check your heartbeat, and I'm serious. There is no other program I have ever found in 12 years, and I've made good money, and I've done dozens of programs, and I'm telling you, there is nothing ever come across like this. This is a no-brainer. If you are broke and sick and tired of all the other programs that don't work, all you got to do is join this for free. Look, I'm going to put the link in this video. Here's where it's going to go to. It's going to go to this capture page right here, okay? And this capture page is going to tell you exactly how this works. Then, look right here. Just for joining completely free, no credit card. I repeat, I did not put in a credit card at all. Promise you. Wasn't going to do it because it said no credit card, right? And the bonus is a 5,000 subscriber list for free. Are you kidding me? I've been in this game for a long time. Do you know how hard it is to build a 5,000 subscriber list that you can email every day and make money off of? That's why people fail online, because they don't know how to do it, because it's damn near impossible. And it takes a long, long time. They're giving it to you for free. I just showed you mine. I started off today with a 5,000 list. I sent out the 75,000 emails they gave me to my list, and I grew my list by 246 people in one day and made $9.20. Refresh. $9.20. Look, that's insane. Half of a day. That's insane. I'm so fired up to know in 10 days how big this can be. In 20 days how big this can be. And in 10 to 15 days, if this thing doubles, like I think it will, I'm upgrading. It's a one-time fee like $97. Don't do it before me. I'll let you know when I do it. $97? And what you get for $97 is insane. I'm not even going to go over it in this video. But when you sign up for free, every single thing has a video. Every single page that you click on has a video that tells you exactly what's going on in that page. Right? Look, you better get on this and sign up and get a free account right now before they change their mind, because it's ridiculous. All right? Go to my link in the description. Get your free account today. Text me when you're done. Okay? Just text me. I'm going to put my phone number, my real phone number, in the description. Text me, say I'm joining with you, Troy. I'll make sure you're in my back office under an affiliate, and we're going to work together to do this thing. Because if we can double this and triple this every month, by the time Christmas hits here, we're going to be some happy fat campers. Do you hear me? And that's serious. That's serious. So click the link, join for free, set it up. It takes 10 minutes. Send out your 75,000 emails right now. You can do it right now. And I guarantee you, within the first hour, you're going to see money coming in. I saw money in 15 minutes. I couldn't even believe it. I was going to do a video right then. I was so fired up. So look, this is a no-brainer. This is a residual income money-making machine. And if you do what they say we can do in these videos and these trainings that I've watched today, we can turn this into hundreds of dollars a day. For free. And you can turn it into hundreds and thousands of dollars a week when we upgrade to $97 one time. Don't you upgrade before me, I'll be mad. I'll let you know when I'm going to upgrade and how good it is, and then you upgrade. That's how it goes. All right, click the link in the description. You better get this. Bye.